Okay, now, like I mentioned to you earlier, there are three different types of na in Tamil, and the difference is very minute. So I recommend you to pronounce all three the same. As nasal, all of them are produced by bending the tongue upwards, and the tip of the tongue should be touching the top layer of your mouth. Now please repeat after me. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, ne, nai, no, no, and now. And just for your kind information, when you're writing, all these three makes a difference. So if your goal is to learn to write in Tamil, then you have to learn all three of them. That's completely different because it changes the meaning as well when you're writing. But when you're speaking, like I mentioned to you, the difference is very subtle. So it doesn't make a huge difference. This is my personal opinion. Now we'll look into the next compound letter set.